Hi guys! My name is Jack and I'm from Henry's Camera. Holiday season is coming. I hope meron na kayong ideal gift for this Christmas season. For those na wala pa, just keep on watching to this video. We will having a 12/12 holiday gift guide promo na para sa inyo. For the first gift option, we have here the Fujifilm X10 camera. So ano nga bang meron kay X10? First, it's viewfinder. Pwede mo siyang gamitin para mag-compose ng shot, lalo na if sobrang liwanag ng environment or when you're shooting outdoors. Next is the smart menu. So if you're looking for your first camera or if you want to upgrade from your smartphone to take good photos or videos, perfect to para sa inyo. So yung smart menu niya, very easy to access. Just swipe up, swipe down, or tap to change yung settings. Parang smartphone lang yung interface. Third is the vari-angle touch screen. Sa mga mahilig naman mag-selfie like me, or balak nyo mag-vlog, si X10 meron na siyang vari-angle LCD touch screen. So, flip nyo lang siya like this. So, pang-apat, X10 is live stream ready. So, sa mga gamers or work from home or kahit sa students, this one is perfect for you. Live stream ready, just plug in and play. So guys, if you're an aspiring vlogger, videographer, or content creator, this camera shoots in 4K resolution and slow-mo para sa mga dramatic effect. So, for 12/12 holiday gift guide promo, you can grab these at only 35,990. We will also give free camera bag. We have here the 16 gig SD card and the free Hakuba blower for cleaning your camera. For our next gift option, we have here the Fujifilm X10 with 1855 lens. This one is for professional photographer or videographer or if you are a serious hobbyist. So it has a 26 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor plus X processor 4. So yung sensor niya guys, sobrang latest na and it will give you the best quality image and performance. Also, this camera has 6.5 stops in body image stabilization. So even when you're shooting at low light, sobrang sharp pa rin ng images and very stabilized yung video footage. Third is the still movie dial. So this one, if you're shooting still image and you want to switch shooting video, so yan, move nyo lang this one para di maghahalo yung video or image ninyo. Next, syempre is yung battery. So X10 has NP235 battery which has higher capacity and longer battery life, especially when you're continuously shooting all day. X10 has fully articulating screen. So, useful to para sa mga filmmaker or vlogger. So, you just open the screen, tilt, and you can also flip it. So, this one is really best for professional filmmakers or videographers. It has 4K 60p 10-bit internal video recording and 240p high-speed video. So guys, if magre-regalo kayo sa mga professional photographers or filmmakers na family or friends niyo, this one is best for you. So X10 comes with 3 variants. So we have the body, you can purchase it for only 96,000. and the 1855 kit for only 119,990, or the 1680 kit for only 126,990. We will also give freebies, yung camera natin, camera bag, we have the free Hakuba cleaning kit, and the 16 gig SD card. Fujifilm will also give for free yung shutter button or hat shoe cover. So the next gift option we have here, ito, bagong-bago, the Fujifil Xs10. So this was just launched last October. So this is a mid-range camera. It has 26 megapixel extrans CMOS 4 sensor plus X processor 4. So the same siya ng processor with our XT4. So best quality image pa rin yung napaprovide niya. Next is it also has the 6 stops in-body image stabilization. So, sobrang stable pa rin ng video shooting. Also, sharp images yung lalabas pa rin even when you're shooting at low light. Also, yung isang pinakagusto kong feature dito is yung bigger and deeper grip. So, when you're handling your camera, mas secure siya and mas panatag kayo na hindi siya mahuhulog. Fujifilm is also well known for its film simulation modes. So it gives you the best photo and video with great colors straight out of your camera. This camera is 4K 30p video recording. So professional level na rin siya. New button layout. So if you're using a different camera brand and you're switching to Fujifilm Xs10, hindi kayo mahirapan since familiar yung button layout. It is also live stream capable, so if you're a gamer or work from home setup, you can just download the Fujifilm X webcam software. So guys, how much ba to? The latest Fujifilm Xs10 is only 55,990 for the body, or if you want to buy the kit lens, 1855, it's only 78,990. Henry's will also give out free camera bag, also the Hakuba blower, and the 16 gig SD card. We will also give you an extra battery. That's it for our gift options for the camera. To sum up, we have here the entry-level X-T200. We also have here the XT4 for professional photographers and filmmakers. And we have here the latest, the Fujifilm Xs10 camera. Now guys, we move on to our lenses. So, using ko lang to. So, what we have here are the lenses that are compact, lightweight, it is weather sealed, very affordable, and if you want to achieve the bokeh effects, you may use these lenses. So first lens we have is the XF 16mm f2.8, and we have here the XF 23mm f2. So both these lenses are wide-angle lenses, so it's best for vlog, street, and travel photography. If you're shooting food, pets, or portrait images, these two lenses are best for you. We have here the XF 50mm f2 and the XF 35mm f2. As I said guys, these lenses are very affordable. So for 16mm f2.8, it's only 23,990. For 23mm f2, it's only 24,990. For 35mm f2, it's only 21,990. And for 50mm f2, it's only 25,990. This sums up our Henry's Camera 1212 Holiday Gift Guide promo with Fujifilm. Don't forget to visit our website at www.henryscameraphoto.com.